So do you also receive a lot of leads through your IndiaMART and want to send an automated WhatsApp message to all the leads received? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads or inquiries for stationery designing services. So I am offering stationery designing services on IndiaMART and I receive a lot of leads for the same. So now here my objective is, as soon as I am going to receive new lead through IndiaMART, then automatically an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to my lead using Pabbly Chatflow. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my IndiaMART account with my Pabbly Chatflow account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I'll show you how to automatically send WhatsApp messages to IndiaMART leads and inquiries using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you also receive a lot of leads through IndiaMART and responding to potential customers quickly can help you convert more leads into sales, then by setting up this automation, you can instantly engage with your inquiries, share product details and provide a seamless customer experience. So stay with me as I walk you through the process step by step. So as you all know that I run a stationery designing service and receive multiple inquiries through IndiaMART from businesses looking for custom designs. So now responding to each lead manually takes time and can lead to missed opportunities. So to streamline this, I am using Pabbly Chatflow to automatically send a WhatsApp message to every new inquiry received. So as soon as a potential customer contacts me on IndiaMART, they will receive an instant WhatsApp message with pricing details, portfolio links and next steps. So this automation ensures quick responses, better engagement and higher chances of converting leads into paying customers without any manual effort. So now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can connect your IndiaMART seller account with your Pabbly Chatflow account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect/INR/ in your browsers. And here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. But here let me tell you that if you want to access your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you can select Pabbly Chatflow over here by clicking on this access now. So now here I'm going to build this automation using Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this access now. And now here it has taken us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads or inquiries for stationery designing service. And now here after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So here in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So here in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as IndiaMART as I'm receiving new leads through IndiaMART. So IndiaMART is an online marketplace that connects buyers and sellers primarily for business and industrial products. So here in my IndiaMART trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new leads, so that whenever I'm going to receive new leads through my IndiaMART, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Okay, so now here after selecting my trigger event, you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my IndiaMART account with Pabbly Connect. So I'm following the instructions given below. Firstly, I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my IndiaMART account. So this is my IndiaMART seller account, and from here I'm going to click on this lead manager given in the left side bar. And here under lead manager, I'm going to click on this menu option, and here under menu I'm going to select import export leads. Now here under import export leads, I'm going to select push API, and here under push API integration, you can see it is asking me to select the source. So by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the sources available. So here in this particular case, I'm going to select my source as other, and then here it is asking me to enter the CRM platform name and the webhook listener URL. So here for the CRM platform name, I'm going to enter the name as Pabbly Connect, and here for the webhook listener URL, I'm going to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is the webhook URL, and now here after entering both the required details, I'm going to click on the save details given over here, and then here it is asking me for the API activation form. So here I need to select the reason that why I want to transfer my IndiaMART leads to any other CRM. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see some reasons available. So here I'm going to select a random reason that says I can easily assign leads to my sales team and manage their performance. And now here after selecting the particular reason, I'm going to click on this click to generate OTP. And then here it is asking me to enter the OTP that I've received on my phone. So here I'm going to enter the OTP. And now here after entering the OTP, I'm going to click on the submit given over here. And here you can see we have successfully set up a webhook inside our IndiaMART account. That means we have successfully connected our IndiaMART account with Pabbly Connect. And now here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our IndiaMART account. So for that, let me take you back to my IndiaMART account. And now here to generate a test lead for my IndiaMART account, I'm going to click on this test your webhook listener URL button given over here. So by clicking on this particular option, I'm going to receive a test response on this webhook URL. That means I'm going to generate a test lead for my IndiaMART account. So now here by generating the test response, I can set up this automation further. So I'm going to click it over here, and then I'm going to click on this test. And here you can see I've received the curl request header. That means that I've successfully sent a test response to this webhook URL. That means on our Pabbly's workflow. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the status as success. Here you can see a unique query ID and the subject that says requirement for empty mineral water bottle. So here you might be thinking that why I have received the query for empty mineral water bottle and not for stationery designing service. So as here I've generated a test response, and this is the test lead details. That's why I've received the query for empty mineral water bottle and not for any stationery designing service. So here if you're receiving live leads on your IndiaMART account, then you will receive this response accordingly. So here I'm going to use this test response to set up this automation further. So here you can see the sender state, sender's pin code, sender's phone number, sender's name, sender's mobile number. Here I'm going to scroll it little down. Here you can see sender's email address. Here you can see the country code, company name, city, address, type, time, scrolling little more down. And lastly here you can see the query product name that says mineral water bottle and the message that says I want to purchase an empty mineral water bottle, kindly send me price and other details, quantity, piece, probable order value and probable requirement type. So this is the message that we have received, and here let me tell you again that this is the test response that I've received, but if you're receiving live leads on your IndiaMART account, then you will receive this response accordingly. So with this we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received new leads through IndiaMART, then automatically and instantly I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to my lead using Pabbly Chatflow. So now here to send an automated WhatsApp message to the lead received through IndiaMART using Pabbly Chatflow, what I need to do is that I need to connect my Pabbly Chatflow account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here I'm going to select my action application as Pabbly Chatflow. So now here firstly let me tell you that what is Pabbly Chatflow. So Pabbly Chatflow is a tool that helps businesses create automated chatbots for their website and apps. It's like having a virtual assistant that can chat with visitors, answer questions and guide them to take actions like making a purchase or signing up. People use Pabbly Chatflow to save time, improve customer support and engage visitors 24/7. It's easy to set up, customizable and helps businesses provide quick responses which keeps customers happy and boost conversions. So now here before moving forward, for connecting Pabbly Chatflow with Pabbly Connect, we need to set up our Pabbly Chatflow account first. So now here to set up the Pabbly Chatflow account, you have to click on this dashboard and here in the dashboard you can see we have received the option for add WhatsApp number over here. So you have to click it over here and here to add the WhatsApp number it is asking Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID and then here you can select the folder to save it. So now here the question arises that from where you are going to get all these details. So now here to get all these details you need to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account in Meta for developers and from there you are going to receive all these details. And now here if you want to learn that how you can create or you can set up the permanent access token for your WhatsApp Cloud API account, then for that we have already created a video that you can go and watch on our YouTube channel. And also if you want to watch the step-by-step detailed video of how to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account and configure it with WhatsApp Cloud API account, then you can check out the video that is attached over here. Okay, so now here moving forward with the connection. So here I've already set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account and here in my Pabbly's action step, I'm going to select my action event as send template message. So that using a template message, a new WhatsApp message should be sent to my lead using Pabbly Chatflow whenever I'm going to receive new lead through my IndiaMART. Okay, so now here to connect my Pabbly Chatflow with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Pabbly Chatflow account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the API token. So now here to get the API token, we are going to follow the instructions given over here that says enter the API token here, log into the Chatflow account, navigate to settings and select the API and webhooks and copy the API token. So now here to get the API token, let me take you back to my Pabbly Chatflow account. So this is my Pabbly Chatflow account's dashboard and here in the left side bar you can see we have received the option for settings and here in the settings we have received the option for API and webhooks. So I'm going to select it. So this is the API and webhooks window of our account and here you can see the API key of my account. So I'm going to copy it, moving back to my Pabbly's workflow and here I'm going to paste the API token. Now here after entering the API token, I'm going to click on the save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward and then here it is asking me for the recipient mobile number. So here in this recipient mobile number field, I need to enter the number to whom I want to send the automated WhatsApp message. So here I need to enter my lead's mobile number. So now here instead of entering the number manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new leads through IndiaMART, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to map my leads mobile number. So this is my leads mobile number, so here I'm going to map it moving forward. But here before moving forward, let's see what the instruction says. So here the instruction says enter the recipient's WhatsApp mobile number with the country code without plus sign. Ensure the mobile number is active on WhatsApp, example this. So now here the instruction says that we have to enter the WhatsApp number without any plus sign in that. So here you can see that our number contains the plus sign over here. So what we need to do is that we need to extract this sign over here. So now here to extract the sign, what we are going to do is that we are going to split the text. Okay, so now here the question arises that how we are going to split the text. That means how we are going to split the mobile number over here. So now here to split the phone number, we are going to use a feature by Pabbly, that is text formatted by Pabbly, by simply adding an action step over here. So here in this action step, I'm going to select the feature by Pabbly, that is text formatted by Pabbly. So I'm going to use this particular feature and here my action event is going to be split text. So here I'm using text formatted by Pabbly for splitting the text, but you can use it for basic formatting, extracting pattern, find in text, replace text, text parser, truncate, URL encode, decode, default value, URL parameter encode, and HTML to markdown. So here in this particular case, I'm going to use it for split text, and then I'm going to click on this connect. And now here you can see after building the connection, it is asking me to enter the text to split. So in this particular field, I need to enter the text that I want to split. So now here for the text, I'm going to map the phone number that I want to split. So I'm going to search for the mobile number. So this is my leads mobile number, and now here after entering the text to split, it is asking me to select the separator. So it says enter the characters, special characters are allowed, or word separator to split the text. For space as a separator, use space. So now here I want my separator to be a plus sign. So here I'm going to enter it. So this is my separate, and now here you can see it is asking me for the segment index. So here for the segment index, I'm going to select second, and now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and sentence request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the splitted mobile number. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. So now let's move back to our Pabbly Chatflow action step, and here in the split mobile number, I'm going to map the mobile number that we have received through our text formatted response. So this is the mobile number moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the template name. So in this particular field, I need to select the template that I'm going to use to send an automated WhatsApp message to my IndiaMART leads. Okay, so now here to get this template name, let me take you back to my Pabbly Chatflow account, and here in my Pabbly Chatflow account, we are going to click on this templates given the left side bar, and here under templates, we are going to select templates list. And here under template list, you can see all the templates that I've created in my Pabbly Chatflow account to send automated WhatsApp messages for different users. So here you can see all the templates, and here in this particular case, I'm going to use a template which I've already created with the name new lead template. Over here you can see that this template is approved, so I'm going to use this particular template, and here you can see my template that I've created which says hello one, thank you for reaching out, we have received your details and are excited to assist you. Explore our latest collection here, www.example.com. Have questions, feel free to reply to this message. Best regards. Okay, so this is the message, and here you can see the template name, that is new lead template. So now moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here for the template name, I'm going to select the template that I've already created with the name new lead template. Okay, so now here after selecting the template name, let me take you back to my Pabbly Chatflow account, and now here I'm going to tell you that how you can create a new template in your Pabbly Chatflow account to send an automated WhatsApp message. So now here to create a new template, you can see we have received the option for add new template button over here in the templates window. So we are going to click it over here, and then a new template window has appeared in front of us. So here you need to enter all the details to create a new template for your WhatsApp message. So here to add a new template, firstly it is asking me to select the template category. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see the categories available, that is marketing and the utility. So let's suppose that I'm going to select my template category as marketing over here, and then here it is asking me to give a name to my template. So let's suppose that we are going to give the name as new, and then we are going to enter the underscore as it doesn't accept space in our template name. So here I'm going to enter the underscore, and then I'm going to enter the leads. So let's suppose that this is the template name. So now here while entering the template name, make sure you follow all the instructions that are given over here to enter the template name, as it may get rejected because of the template name. So now here after entering the template name, it is asking us to select the language. So here in this language field, you need to select the language in which you want to send the automated WhatsApp message. So here I'm going to select my language as English over here, and now here after selecting the language, it is asking me to select the template type. So here you need to select the message type, that it could be a text, image, video or document. So here I'm going to select my type as text only, and then here it is asking me for the template header. So here in this template header field, it's an optional field. So here if you wish to add a header for your template, or that means a header to your message, then you can enter it over here. So let's suppose that I'm going to enter the template header as welcome over here. So okay, we have added a header over here, and here you can see after adding the header, we have received a preview of the message in the right side of this window as a welcome over here. And here let me tell you that the header of your message is going to be bold. So okay, we have added the header, and now let's move forward with the format. So here in this template format field, you can enter the body of your message that you want to send to your lead or customer. So here, let's suppose that I'm going to enter the template format such as hello, and then here instead of the customer name, I'm going to add a variable by adding curly braces, and then I'm going to enter my variable, that is choose one over here, and then I'm going to close the curly braces. So here you can see I've added the template format where I've entered the name as hello1, and here you can see the preview of the message. So here I've used a variable in the format because variables makes our text dynamic, and here I'm going to use this variable to send a personalized WhatsApp message to all my leads. So as you know that variables makes our text dynamic, and here you can add multiple variables in your draft. So here let's suppose that I'm using my variable for the name, but you can use the variable for the quantity or any other value that you want to make dynamic. So here I want to make the leads name dynamic, so I'm going to use variable for the name. Okay, so this was all about the template format moving forward, and now after adding the variable to your format, you need to enter the sample value for that variable also. So let's suppose that we have used the variable for the name, so I'm going to enter the random name, that is test user over here. That is a sample value for the variable, and now after adding the sample value for the variables, you can see we have received the option for template footer. So if you wish, then you can add the template footer, and then here you can select the interactive actions as none, quick replies or all. And now after adding all the required details, you are going to click on the submit, and as soon as you are going to click on the submit, it is going to send the template to Meta for the approval. And once your template gets approved by Meta, then automatically you will be able to see the template status over here in your template list. And once your template gets approved, then you can use that template to send automated WhatsApp message to your customers or leads. Okay, so now moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here after selecting the template name, you can see the header type has been selected as text, as I have used header type as text over here, and then here it is asking me for the header params. So it is not a required field, and also I have not used any header in my template, so I'm going to ignore it. And then here it is asking me for the media URL. So again, my template does not contain any media, that's why I'm going to ignore this field. But if you're sending a media with your template, then you have to enter the URL over here, and then here it is asking me for the file name. So if you're sending a media over here, then you have to enter the file name for the same, and then here it is asking me enter the body parameter 1. That means here in this particular body parameter field, I need to enter the value of my variable that I have used in my template. So as I've already shown you that I have used a variable in my template in the place of the customer or lead's name. So here in this particular field, I'm going to enter the lead's name. So again here I'm going to map the name over here. So I'm going to search for the name. So this is my lead's name, so I'm going to map it over here, and with this we have successfully entered all the required details. But now here, before moving forward and clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message over here. So here I'm going to enter my number. So here I've successfully entered my own phone number, and now I'm going to click on this save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the status as success and the message as message sent. That means we have successfully sent a WhatsApp message to my phone number. So now here let me take you to my Pabbly Chatflow account first. And here we are going to click on this inbox in the left side bar. And here in the inbox, you can see that we have successfully sent a WhatsApp message over here. And here in the inbox, you can see we have successfully sent an automated WhatsApp message by using the same template message. And also here you can see the status of the message that is delivered over here. So once your lead is going to read the message, then automatically the status is going to be updated for the read. So let's go and check our WhatsApp, and here you can see we have successfully received a WhatsApp message over here. That means we have read the WhatsApp message over here. So now let's go and check our inbox, and here you can see the status has been updated with the read over here. Okay, so now let's go and reply to that message to see what happens next. So let's suppose that I'm going to reply it with hello only. And here you can see we have successfully received a reply over here. So with this, we have successfully set up our entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as IndiaMART and our action as text formatted by Pabbly and Pabbly Chatflow. So that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our IndiaMART, then automatically using text formatted by Pabbly, our lead's phone number is going to get modified. And after that, automatically an automated WhatsApp message is going to be sent to our lead using a template message through Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, so these were the steps to how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads or inquiries for stationery designing service. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now, if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.